Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 4 DIY slimes. I'm going to be mixing all 4 slimes together at the end, so stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Sophia and I helped make this video.
For the first slime, you're going to need white glue, shaving cream, Stay-Flo or borax, and any color, and I used yellow glitter. And of course, a mixing bowl and a mixer.
First, pour in some white glue and then shaving cream. You're gonna wanna pack it up real high. That'll make it extra fluffy. Next, put in the color.
Then just mix all the ingredients up.
Then just activate it and your slime is done.
Then take the slime out of the bowl and start kneading it with your hands until you get the consistency you would like. This step is optional, but you can add in some sprinkles for decoration.
For this slime, you're gonna need white glue, Stay-Flo liquid starch, and foam beads.
First, pour in some white glue and Stay-Flo activator, then mix.
Then slowly add in some foam beads. I'm sorry if this looks like peas and slime, but it's foam beads.
For this next slime, which is glitter slime, you're gonna need clear glue, Stay-Flo, and some glitter glue.
First, you're gonna pour in the clear glue. Next, you're gonna pour in the glitter glue, which is any color. Then stir thoroughly.
Then slowly add in some Stay-Flo activator, and then take it out of the bowl and start kneading it.
If your clear slime is all foggy, don't worry. Put it in an airtight container and wait 48 hours. For icy slime, you're gonna use clear glue, instant snow, and Stay-Flo liquid starch.
First, pour in some clear glue and any color glitter glue. Then mix. Then slowly add in some Stay-Flo activator.
Once you're done, take it out of the bowl and start kneading it. After that, put some instant snow in it. Then knead that as well.
If it's still a little bit sticky after kneading, don't worry, just add a little bit more activator.
Now the moment we've all been waiting for.
Mixing all 4 slimes together.
Don't forget to comment what your favorite slime was. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And turn your notifications on so you won't miss a video.